Today is Thursday, May 26, 2022. I am long the S&P 500 via UPRO ETF. I bought it today after the market closed. So far, my account year to date is up roughly 5%, while the S&P 500 is down around 15%. And my goal is to beat the S&P 500 by the end of the year by at least 26%. Looking at the transactions, if we go to history, you can see the transaction here. I bought TQQQ. That was just a test, a mistake. Don't pay attention to that. Pay attention to the other two transactions above UPRO. I bought 15 shares, then I bought 9 shares, which is equivalent to roughly about half of my capital. So I'm investing about half of my capital. I like the setup, just enough to invest about half of my capital. When I really like the setup, I invest all my account, full capital. Let's look at the charts. Let's go take a look at the daily chart. Here's a daily chart. Why did I go long? Yesterday, I said if it closes above 4,000 that I will consider going long. Well, today it closed way higher than that, a lot more than I anticipated, back above the 20-day moving average. This is the first time it closes above the 20-day moving average in weeks. That's the pink line. I like the setup. Currently my stop loss is below the 5-day moving average, or around 30, just below 39.50. So I expect the pullback has gone up too much too fast, up in 3 days. So I expect a pullback. I would not worry about the pullback unless it dips below 39.50. Then at that point, I don't like it and I will get stopped out. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart. Here's a 5-minute chart. This is today's price action. I said I wanted to wait until the end of the day and expected a strong close so that I could buy, but it was very strong. Not a single pullback until the end of the day. Very light pullback, so I ended up buying way higher. During after hours, my order got filled around this, just below the closing price. Here's what I'm talking about, that it has gone up too much, too fast. This is 3 days. So in 3 days, this is a 5-minute chart. This is 2 days ago, first session, second session, and then today. You can see that I've been in a very strong uptrend for 3 days. So I expect a pullback. I'm fine as long as it stays above 39.50. So anyways, thanks for stopping by.